An important update for all South African Social Security Agency, SASSA beneficiaries, especially those receiving the Social Relief of Distress SRD R370 grant. SASSA has temporarily suspended its Biometric Identity Verification System, also known as eKYC. This system was originally introduced to prevent fraud and impersonation in the application process. However, as of February 4th, 2025, SASSA confirmed that the system is down for maintenance. Official SASSA announcement: important notice to all beneficiaries. There has been a fraudulent eKYC link circulating, which is being sent to beneficiaries to verify their information after grant applications. Please be advised that the official eKYC system is currently down for maintenance, and we are working tirelessly with the relevant departments to ensure that it will be up and running as soon as possible. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused and appreciate your patience and understanding during this time. Your security and trust are of the utmost importance to us. Please refrain from clicking on any suspicious links and report them to us immediately. We will notify you once the eKYC system is operational again. Thank you for your cooperation, beneficiary concerns and frustrations. While SASSA has assured the public that the system will be restored, many affected beneficiaries have expressed their frustrations. Some have been waiting for months, even up to a year, to verify their identity and receive their grant payments. Let's take a look at what people are saying. First person, SASSA, your system is always and forever down. We have been requesting and waiting for the ID verification link since March last year till today. Same story every time we call. System is down. Second person, scammers are taking advantage because SASSA has failed to send identity verification links to beneficiaries for over 7 months. Same story from last year, but system is down. SASSA is to be blamed for all of this. Third person, same as me. I am so tired of sending emails and making calls because I can't get help. I tried several times to go to the office and they are always offline. Fourth person, it's been a year now and I'm still trying to get the link. When you communicate, expect to be understood by your audience without ambiguity. You think everyone knows what an eKYC link is? Fifth person, it would be so easy and fast if SASSA could put a verification link on the SRD website so everyone could verify themselves. But instead, SASSA makes it difficult. You must phone them and they tell you to wait for a link that never comes. What should you do now? So, with the eKYC system down and many people struggling to verify their identity, what can you do in the meantime? 1. Be aware of scams. Do not click on any links claiming to be an eKYC verification portal unless officially confirmed by SASSA. Scammers are taking advantage of this situation. 2. Report fraudulent messages. If you receive any suspicious emails or SMS messages requesting your personal information, report them to SASSA immediately. 3. Keep calling SASSA for updates. While this may be frustrating, continuously checking with SASSA is the only way to know when the system is back online. 4. Visit your nearest SASSA office. Some people have reported issues with getting assistance at offices, but if you have exhausted all other options, visiting in person may still be worth a try. 5. Advocate for a better system. Many beneficiaries believe SASSA should provide a direct online verification system.